Alright guys, this is CC Donuts, and today we're going to teach about Genesis Market and how we can log on and how we can get invitation codes, and also about the new update that just recently got posted and how we can bypass the new Chromium. But first we're going to talk about how we can just log in and what exact link is it. It's going to be genesis.market https, so don't get mixed up if you log in into the wrong one. Yes, it's on Google. You don't need a browser. You don't need to dig deep on this one. It's really just out there on the deep one or on Google. But if you guys want to get your feet wet and get started on something that is more easy instead of wasting money and like more on like based on luck, I think Genesis Market is the first thing you guys should mess with. Or yeah, get your feet wet. But to get it going, you do need an invitation code. You guys can PM us, Telegram us for the price, or if not, we will always have a good deal on it. But this is a better chance of having a better hit and like better luck on what you guys are trying to do with these accounts. But most likely, this is what I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm gonna show you guys the bots, and this is what we're purchasing, and this is basically what Genesis Market is. Genesis Market is basically you're logging into other people's devices that were saved from the cookies and catch, and from whatever logins they had from the device, you're basically picking up off all of that. Then from that script that you get that you're purchasing off Genesis Market, you're basically putting that script and injecting it inside of Chromium or Genesis Market's security extension that it comes with the plugin. But everything on Genesis Market will give you a tutorial on how to set all that up, so don't worry, it'll be easy. But this is what you guys are seeing on my screen right now, is just people's devices. I'll click on one of them right now, I'll get one. Oh, I don't own these ones, these are the purchase ones I have right now. I'll give these out for free on the Telegram, maybe like Netflix accounts and like Hulu's and shit. But yeah, dude, this is more easy than going on Empire Market or, you know, like whatever market you guys use, off Tor browser, whatever black market. Because once you guys see what we're doing on, or see what this is, then you guys will kind of figure out the other markets. And this is, look at the format, look how beautiful this shit looks, and look how fast it is. It's on a normal browser. Right now I'm just on a VPN and just on this shit, and it's running smooth. So there's like no need to even have no hassle of going on fucking Empire Market and waiting fucking 10 minutes for each load or each page to load. But I'm not gonna lie, everything's good. Everything that you learn off this shit is gonna teach you more. So I'm not saying just don't go off Empire Market. That's also a good place to learn other info off of. And I'm not lying, that's where I came from too. Andrew Market. And yeah. But this is how it kind of looks like. I'll show you guys something. I might have it blurred out, but if not, I'm gonna have a lot of these free on the Telegram. See, like as if it says, when you buy someone's cookies and catch, it says Chromium, or it says Chrome or Safari or whatever device they're using. So basically what we're doing right now is spoofing our device and making it seem like we're them. You know what I'm saying? But also to make this work, you guys also need a bot proxy service. And I know that is the best proxy. And that's your game right there. Oh, I shouldn't have just said that. But there's also and I also know that I tried out some other service, but that's gonna take a lot of weight off your back from testing all these other proxy services. So you guys can give me a like on that also. But yeah, as you see right here, this is someone's fucking Apple account. Apple IDs. You got a Reddit account. This is all from their device. This might be coming from their phone, you don't know, you know what I'm saying? And from Twitter, Tumblr, there's PayPal. I have Amazon, Netflix. This is just, but make sure when you guys buy a bot, make sure it comes with cookies and catch. Because there's also a different part right here where you can switch it up and also generate your own fingerprint. But that's what you don't want to do, because that's kind of like based on more luck. But when you see this green shit right here on the cookies, that means it's green. But if you see red right here, you have the accounts, but you don't have the fingerprint or the cookies. So you have the login still. But yeah, it's quarantine right now. I'm fucking hot, fucking in the garage. But yeah, if you guys want to keep posted, stay tuned. I'm gonna have more videos. And CC Donuts, we're about to have a lot of free stuff on the Telegram. So stay tuned. And I'm just trying to support a lot of people who keep on asking questions about these simple questions about this type of stuff. And I see a lot of people scamming people for methods and shit, because I've been scammed. So I think it's better off just giving out this, not free info, but info that's necessarily free. I'm not trying to, because the game's not told, or the game's so not told. So I'm just trying to give you guys info that's trying to keep you as anonymous and safe, and also to keep you on track. Because this is 2020, you guys gotta know that a lot of these methods too are now the boo-boo. So you guys will figure it out. But we're gonna have more videos, you guys, to keep you guys tuned about these activities. I don't want any bad terms about this shit, because you guys can take it as positive or negative, and you can learn about, cybersecurity or whatever you want to call it, hacking.